Hi guys, and welcome back to the second tutorial on how to create a fake virus. We'll start with a sped up video of me writing the code, then I'll explain it to you in detail. Enjoy watching.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
Okay guys, in a few words I just created an if statement, meaning two possible alternatives based on the user's input, but let's go into more detail. Okay, here we simply sent a message as seen in the other tutorial. The only addition is that we assigned it to a variable, namely x. This is necessary to create an if statement. Here we say that if x, that is the answer we would give to the message above, equals 6, which represents the answer yes, something will happen. And what will happen? He'll simply receive another message saying wrong. Then to conclude the first if you need to write end if. Here it simply repeats the previous thing, so if the user answers with no, which is represented by the number 7, these other things happen. That is, the message correct appears. But now let's save everything and give it a try. As we can see, the first option works, so let's close the terminals and try the other one. And the second one works too. Now we will see how to make the program open a file, in this case a video. First of all, you will need to create a folder and put everything inside it. Then, inside the folder, you need to create a second folder and put the file you want to open with the program inside it. Now, as before, I will put a sped up video of me creating the code and then I will explain it to you in detail. Enjoy watching! Okay guys, before I explain what I did, let's see together if it works. As you can see, when I press no, the video will play. Okay, now let's see what will happen when I press yes. And as you can see, the video won't start, but now let's see how I did it. Okay guys, as you can see, I went ahead and wrote the code here so that it runs when the user presses the no button. And what did I write? Well, the first 3 lines of code are mandatory and just need to be copied. Of course, I'll leave everything in the description. Here, instead, you still need to limit yourself to copying everything except the file path, that is, what in my case is ASSETrickrall.mp4 with your own.
For now, the tutorial ends here. If you have any suggestions for a new video, don't hesitate to ask, and I remind you to support the channel by liking, subscribing, and commenting. It would really help us a lot.